6 seconds. Marinkovic comes back, he's got the hot hand. Vanja Marinkovic with the troika at the end of the first half. Vanja Marinkovic has made 3 in a row. Bang, bang, bang. Look at the elation of the play.
By 1, just 15 points total. 8 for Žalgiris Kaunas, 7 for Partizan in this period so far. Extra pass, finds Bonga. Standstill three-pointer is drilled confidently. Receiving high fives from his teammates. It is going to be an L. Registered by Maccabi.
Pokusevski only just coming in for his first action. Three-point shot, Sterling Brown hit every inch of the iron, but he threw that one away. Almost even too high for the bench.
Sterling Brown. Davies post-up play, he was in there a long time. He spins, he's still in there. Offloads to Lundberg, looks for 3 and gets it on the buzzer. Beautiful shooting.
Last couple of ticks here at the third quarter. The drive and the jam and the finish from Bonga on the buzzer. Behind the back, it wasn't read well, but retrieved to Brown, who double clutches underneath. We get it out and off in time for 3 from Marinkovic.
Davies against Lucic. A good defense by Lucic, who holds his own. Davies just overpowers him. Also mixed with a great footwork.
A long-time veteran of French basketball and asphalt. Here's Lundberg for his first action. Step back 3. Got it. Welcome to the ball game. Ivi Lundberg.
Supposed to have the largest lead in the game despite their foul trouble as a team. Partizan have the foul trouble individually. The show and the go. Back out, Carlik Jones in the nick of time with pinpoint precision from the perimeter. Back in at the deep end here.
I mean, you got to know with Sterling Brown on the bench, Tariq Jones on the bench with 4 fouls, they got to look to somebody else. It was Lakic who had picked up a little bit.
Can Partizan cut into it? Olympiacos in the penalty. Lundberg kicks. Marinkovic on the floor. Got it! Vanja Marinkovic with the troika! Right at the death of the first quarter. A timely 3 from the number 9. He'll make the difference, single digits. Times it.
The victory, 6-point lead. You don't want to touch anybody now. Let him shoot it out. And Washington will get his 20-point game there with the 3-pointer, but it'll be that guy right there, Coach Boubois, who will go back to Villeurbanne. I don't know if they go back to Villeurbanne or not. It's a double week. Nobody might go back home tonight as you see that last shot at the buzzer.
Off the back of the Obradovic timeout, Carlik Jones, who's been quiet, into a pack of players, and he put it in the final second. Falling and finishing, Carlik with the magic.
Boy, I'll tell you what, that is a hard-earned back.
Keeping his options open. They go down to Izak Bonga. Tyreek. As the three-pointer is netted at the top of the key from Ivi Lundberg.
Lovely fake from Tariq Jones. Bonga. Oh! Izak Bonga has got ice running through his veins. That counted. And it was so bizarre because the crowd went completely silent. Look at this from Bonga. Well in the air before the red light.
So Carlik Jones, flat pass goes cross-court to Ntilikina, who gets to the elbow extended. Oh, beautiful mid-range J. So trip to the free throw line forthcoming for Cannon as we take a look.
Brown working off the dribble against Tonut. Lundberg has to haul from deep. Oh my goodness!
Well, Pokusevski in the corner. He can hear the crowd say, shoot it! Lundberg, guarded closely by None. I think Lundberg's looking to give it up. He's looking for somebody. He'll settle for a mid-range jump shot, and that's as pure as you like.
So Bonga with the shot clock in the red, gets to the dots, gets the field goal away, and that is a beautiful flip finger roll from Isaac Bonga. 4 points in the game. Carly Jones calling what he hopes will be the final play of the third quarter from the half-court logo. Carly Jones inside to Brandon Davies, finishes through the foul, and will go to the free throw line looking to add one more. Wonderful point guard play from Carly Jones, who just orchestrated things from the...
3 steals for him as well. And a block from Tyreek Jones. And one more chance for Partizan to pour forward. And for Sterling Brown to make his team's performance and his own individual performance look even more impressive.
Davies thought about the 3, goes to Bonga instead. And nothing he can do wrong this evening. Makes it 19-11. Isaac Bonga, cool as you like against his old club. What a start.
There's still enough time for Partizan to come the other way. Oh, moving off the ball well is Jones, who finishes right at the buzzer. Tough finish as well. Carly Jones able to lay it home. And that has been one of the tightest. Carly Jones, 4 on the shot clock. He drives, dishes. Mike in the corner for 3. Got it for Partizan. And that it may well be the dagger. Partizan up.
Looking for a seam against Buckman. Nothing there. Inside they look for Koprivica. He doesn't get the ball back to Jones. Jones against Buckman. Stops and pops. And we got a tie at 2.
In a 2-man exchange with Davies. Sterling Brown, pull-up 3-pointer. Oh, that is a tough bucket over the outstretched arm of Servidis. Sterling Brown, one of the leading 3-point marksmen in the Turkish. So, lob pass goes to the corner. And canning the trifecta is Frank Ntilikina. Frank Ntilikina.
So they look to travel fast down the full length of the floor. Ntilikina does just that with the fancy footwork at the finish to a fabulous first half.
So Bryant Dunstan onto the floor for the first time tonight. Did a good job getting the shot away with just 0.8 seconds on the clock.
5 out. Partizan. Carly Jones kicks. Lundberg, can he make back-to-back threes? He can, you know, voila! Ivi Lundberg, big smiles from the Dane.
Ifi Ljungberg penetrating the gap. Shot clock in the red. Isaac Bonga, standstill 3, buried. Wonderful patience from Partizan, ending the run of 9 straight points posted by Maccabi Pleitika Tel Aviv.